Let's make my Emerald Isle split pea soup, which is perfect for St. Patty's Day. First, add a bit of olive oil to your pan and then add that Spam. Yeah, I said Spam, or ham is fine. Add in some chopped onions, some carrots, some celery. I like to use the tops also. It gives it really good flavor. Diced chili pepper if you're using that. And some oregano. I like Mexican oregano in this one. Salt and pepper. Give it a good stir, and you need to saute this until those onions are a little translucent. Then we're going to add in the dried split peas, as well as some vegetable stock and a bit of water. You need to cook this stovetop for about 45 minutes, or it takes 3 minutes in the pressure cook setting on my Ninja Foodie. Serve it up. It's so good. I love it with my everything bagel croutons. And if you like this dish, check out our Irish fish cakes on taylorkitchen.net.